A significant development in the Middle East has emerged with a ceasefire agreement between Syria and Kurdish-led forces, effectively ending 2 weeks of intense clashes. This agreement dismantles Kurdish self-rule in northern Syria, allowing the Syrian government to regain control over strategic areas. The geopolitical implications of this ceasefire could alter the balance of power in the region, potentially impacting international relations and defense strategies. Meanwhile, in the United States, the Pentagon has ordered 1,500 troops stationed in Alaska to prepare for potential deployment to Minnesota. This move comes amid escalating protests against government deportation policies, with President Trump threatening to invoke the Insurrection Act. The readiness of these troops underscores the ongoing domestic tensions and the potential for military involvement in civil matters, which could influence defense spending and policy decisions. In Asia, Hong Kong police are expanding their use of drones for surveillance and crowd control, deploying them to areas like the Peak, Cheung Chau, and Lamma Island. This initiative tests the capabilities of drones in complex terrains and highlights the growing role of technology in law enforcement and public safety. The increased use of drones in urban settings may drive demand for advanced drone technology and related defense systems. Turning to corporate developments, Sunrise Energy Metals has entered into a multi-year scandium supply agreement with Lockheed Martin, enhancing the strategic importance of its Syerston Project. This deal not only boosts the availability of scandium, a critical material for aerospace and defense industries, but also reflects Lockheed Martin's commitment to securing essential resources for its operations. The agreement follows a period of significant share price gains for Sunrise Energy Metals, indicating strong investor confidence in its prospects. In the maritime sector, 8 international warships from countries including France, Kuwait, Oman, Russia, and Saudi Arabia have docked at Hamad Port for the Doha International Maritime Defense Exhibition and Conference, DIMDEX 2026. This event underscores the importance of naval defense and international cooperation in maritime security. The presence of these warships highlights the strategic interests of participating nations and the ongoing investments in naval capabilities. Eutelsat's partnership with French startup MaiaSpace to launch OneWeb replenishment satellites marks a significant step in satellite deployment. This collaboration is crucial for maintaining and expanding satellite networks, which are vital for global communications and defense operations. The move reflects the growing importance of space technology in modern defense strategies, and the need for reliable satellite infrastructure. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares decline by 3.45% to $170.96, influenced by the increased use of drones in Hong Kong. This development could impact Palantir's data analytics services, as the demand for drone-related data processing and analysis grows. Investors may need to monitor how Palantir adapts its offerings to capitalize on this trend. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a notable rise of 3.77% to $392.86, driven by the direct impact of Hong Kong's drone expansion. As a leader in unmanned aircraft systems, AeroVironment stands to benefit from increased global interest in drone technology for security and surveillance purposes. The company's strong uptrend reflects investor optimism about its growth prospects in this expanding market. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its stock price increase by 4.95% to $130.72, buoyed by potential military deployments in the U.S. The company's focus on developing advanced defense technologies positions it well to benefit from heightened military readiness and potential increases in defense spending. Kratos' positive momentum indicates strong market confidence in its strategic direction. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, gained 0.79% to reach $582.43, following its scandium supply deal with Sunrise Energy Metals. This agreement enhances Lockheed Martin's supply chain for critical materials, supporting its aerospace and defense manufacturing capabilities. The deal is a strategic move to secure essential resources, reinforcing Lockheed Martin's position as a leader in the defense industry. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, rose by 1.68% to $425.90, reflecting a strong uptrend linked to naval defense interests, highlighted by Dimdex 2026. As a major shipbuilding company, Huntington Ingalls is poised to benefit from increased naval investments and international maritime collaborations. The company's performance indicates robust investor confidence in its future growth. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor drone technology firms for growth and security applications. 2. Watch defense stocks for impacts from U.S. military readiness. 3. Follow scandium supply developments for aerospace opportunities.